I'm happy to announce to you that you can change your Opay account number. And I have provided and made this clear and concise video for easy and better understanding. So if you are searching for how to change my Opay account number, watch this completely and follow the instructions. Congratulations to you! It took me much time to make this video in order to show you the best and easiest step-by-step process of how to change my Opay account number, highlighting the necessary requirements and the reasoning behind the security-conscious approach. How to change my Opay account number is an easy process, but it comes with strict requirements and procedures. This meticulous approach is in place to ensure the security of both the users and the platform itself. Opay, a licensed entity by the CBN and regulated by the NDIC, takes these steps to safeguard against unauthorized access and fraudulent activities. Necessary documents and steps for changing Opay account number. According to Opay, to change your Opay account number, there are 3 important documents to provide and steps you must follow. 1. Police report. If you've lost access to your previous old phone number, you'll need to get a police report as evidence of this situation. This report serves as evidence of the change request and enhances security. 2. Valid ID card. A regulatory ID, such as a valid ID card, is required to verify your identity. This ensures that only the account holder is authorized to make changes. 3. Sworn affidavit. You must provide a sworn affidavit that outlines the following. You are not authorized to use the old phone number replaced with your old phone number. Indicate the new mobile phone number replaced with your new phone number. Authorize Opay to transfer the balance of your old Opay wallet to the new wallet. Once you've gathered the necessary documents, the police report, valid ID card, and sworn affidavit, follow these steps. 1. Document preparation. Using your phone, take clear and legible photos of the police report, valid ID card, and sworn affidavit. These documents will be sent to Opay via email. 2. Compose email. Open your email and create a new message. In the subject line, type change phone number. 3. Document submission. Attach the photos of the required documents to the email and send it to eng-antifraud@opay-inc.com. This email serves as your formal request for changing your Opay account number. 4. Await response. Opay's team will review your documents and respond to your email within 3 working days. This step ensures that the request is legitimate and secure. Congratulations! You may ask, why the lengthy process? The detailed process aims to ensure security and adhere to legal steps, protecting both Opay and its users from potential fraudulent activities.